Well, hello, Mr. Conductor.
Oh, hello, Billy. Toolkit, check. Ticket puncher, check, check. Aye. All aboard! Just testing, Billy. Mustn't let my conducting skills get rusty.
Important day, Mr. C.
It is a very important day. I'm going to the island of Sodor. You know, it's the only place in my universe where I really fit in size-wise. Sir Topham Hatt has given me a big responsibility. Diesel 10 is back, and I have to make sure that he behaves himself. Excuse me, Billy.
I hope your visit goes well, Mr. C.
Thank you, Billy. I must be responsible, reliable, and... Don't tell me.